In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Assist. Zoho Assist is a great tool for providing remote support to users as it allows a technician to access and troubleshoot your device from anywhere in the world. Let's dive into how you can get started with this handy tool in just a few simple steps. First, open up your web browser and type in the search bar zoho.com/assist/join. This will take you to the Zoho Assist join page, which is where you'll begin the process of connecting with your technician for remote assistance. It's important to make sure you're on the correct page to avoid any confusion or potential issues later on. Once you're on the page, you'll see a field asking for a session ID. This session ID is provided to you by the technician who will be assisting you. Make sure to enter it carefully and double check for any typos. This unique ID is what links the technician directly to your session, so getting it right is crucial. After entering the session ID, you'll need to provide your name. This step is essential as it helps the technician identify who they're working with and ensures that they're connecting to the right session. Simply type in your name and you'll be ready for the next step. Next, hit that join session button to initiate the connection process. This is a straightforward step that lets your technician know you're ready to begin the session. Clicking the button will prompt the download of the Join app. The Join app you'll need to download is tailored to your specific operating system, whether you're on Windows, macOS, or another platform. Locate this download link and click on it. Your browser will start downloading the necessary file. Keep in mind that this app is essential for establishing a secure connection. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your downloads folder and run it on your computer. This action opens up the application, helping you to join the remote session seamlessly. You might see some security prompts at this stage, but don't worry, just follow the instructions to continue. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to accept and confirm access for the technician. This step is important for security as it signifies your consent for the technician to access your device remotely. Accept this prompt and you're all set for the session. After you've given the necessary permissions, your session will officially commence. The technician will now have the ability to access your device, allowing them to diagnose and fix any issues you might be experiencing. And there you go, you're now connected and ready to troubleshoot together with your technician. Using Zoho Assist is designed to be this easy, ensuring you get help without unnecessary hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful for you.